Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change region on IMDb. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to change region on IMDb. Maybe you are using the app in a country, but now you have moved out and you want to change the region. Or maybe there's something not available in your region, so you want to change the region so that you could get what you're looking for. Or it could be any other reason for you to change the region on IMDb app. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video, I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the IMDb app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the IMDb app icon to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. On the home page, we have a lot of posters or pictures of the series, movies, documentaries, and other film stuff. Other than that, we have four options at the bottom. So from all these things, what you have to do is that you have to select this option, which is you or profile icon. Once you tap on it, you will land into this page. Here you can see we have some stuff, and at the top we have two options. So from these two options you have to click on settings, this one. Once you tap on it, you will land into the settings. You can also read it by its title, and there you will find bunch of options. So from all these options, what you have to do here is that you have to go for this second option, which says display. Once you get here you will find multiple options. So from all these options, you have to go with the second option, which says region. And right now Norway is selected, but if you tap on it, you will get all the countries, or the countries that are on the list of IMDb will appear here. There you can choose whichever country you live in, or whichever country you want to be as your region on the app. You can select it. There's no limitation to it. Whatever you prefer, you can go with that. So here I'm going with the Uzbekistan. Likewise, you can choose any other region of your choice. Once you have selected, you have to click on save, and after that it will get you to the home page, and there you will see that the region has been changed. Now if you want to check it, what you have to do is that you have to go to the settings icon, and once you land here, after that you have to go this second option, which is display. Once you get into the display, there you will see the region that we have selected is Uzbekistan, as you can see. And likewise, you can choose any region of your choice. If you again want to change it, you can do that. You just have to simply click on region, and there you have to choose whatever you want to go with. Once you select it, click on save, and that region will be selected. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can select region on IMDb. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.